got two little horns and they give me a little bit.
Up and down, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make any t-shirt for free. All you have to do is go to catalog, find any t-shirt. But if you are in members like Builder Club, you can even get shirts and all. So you go over here, I'll take this. It works sometimes. All you have to do is go to the last number and minus it by 0. I mean 1. Then the picture you get, all you do is save it. And once it's saved, you go to develop. After going to develop, you go to t-shirt. After going to t-shirt, this I was just making. You can even make those 6-pack and all t-shirts. And this is what will happen if you try to make shirt. And when you go to shirts and you do that, it does it. Choose file. After doing choose file, you can use any like this one, or even I can just do our logo. And then you do upload. And this is successfully created. I can even word it and show you it's not fake, it's 100%. I don't even know edit. I don't even know how to edit. You go to t-shirts, word that shirt. Loading, yeah. And now look, there's an our logo. Well, for now I'm gonna word that. So that's how. But if you want to do anything else, you can just go to catalog. I will just give you one of the clue how it looks like when you do shirts and pants. How to go is clothing and shirts. I'm not in Builders Club, so I can't give you an example right now, but I can just show you how to. Like you go to blue Nike. You go to blue Nike. Just go to the last number and minus it by 1 like another. It works sometimes, so whatever, it will just work. Or you can just even save that picture. So that's the easy way to do it. And thanks guys, bye. Oh, let me go for now. I'm sorry, so I will upload videos less, so don't get angry. Even my voice is like Russian, whatever. That's a really easy way to get. And thanks to Romanus Gaming, because he's the one who teaches me that trick. Subscribe to his channel so he can make more. He's a hacker dude. He's the one who taught me. So even he made a lot of stuff. Like look here, you see, whatever is amazing. He was the one who taught me. So bye guys.